Hello guys, welcome to my channel Nopani Graphics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change page orientation, page size, and page margins in Microsoft Word. So this is a beginner's tutorial, and for you to do that, we are going to open Microsoft Word. We shall come to the Windows button here, then left click on it, then type Word. You can search Word. Then when it will show you Word up here, you can click on it. And let me click here to maximize. So I am going to choose a blank document. So I will click on the blank document. So this is our blank document. So now our Microsoft Word has opened. I'm using Microsoft Word 2016. So here now, for me to change the size, the, the, the margins of this, first of all, imagine is this gap between on top between the start of the text and between the start of the text and the end of the document. So I'm going to come to layout or page layout. I click on it. Then I will come to margins. I'll click on this drop down. I'll left click on it on that drop down button. Then here I am able to choose either I want to choose the last custom settings. That means this is the one that I last used. And this one the normal is also another setting that I can choose. And we have narrow, we have here moderate, and then also we have wide. So when I choose narrow, that is, you can see my cursor is able to move from where it was somewhere here, now it is up here. It means the the when I type it, when I type something there, you can see it starts from there. Let me maximize it a bit. So now our cursor is moved nearer to the extreme end of the page. So that is let me bold it and then increase the font. So this is a page margin now in between the end of the page and then the start of the text. So now let me come back to layout. Then I insert a custom page margin. I come to layout, then I come to custom margins. When I select on custom margins, then I click on it. Then I will choose to put this one to 0. Then I put here also to 0. I want you to realize a change. Then I put the left one also to 0. I put the right one also to 0. Then I say okay. You see, now we have no margin left just because we have put the left 0, the right 0, everything 0. So no more space on the margins. So this is a custom margin. That is how you can insert the custom margin. So let's take it back to maybe normal. You see, when you put it back to normal, it comes back to this. Now let's go to the next part. How to change the page orientation. Still the same, you come to layout, then you come to orientation, okay? Then you press here, then you can choose. Right now, it is selected, you see, it is selected, portrait is selected. This is landscape. When I'm to choose, let me zoom a bit, let me zoom. Okay, so that is our full page. That is our full page. This is our full page. Now, if I'm to zoom, if I want to change, this is a portrait, okay? And if I want to change it to landscape, you see, that is how to change it. Now it has changed. This is landscape. This is a portrait. This is a landscape. So let's look at the next thing. How can we change the page size? So for the page size also, you come to layout, then come to page size here. Then you put to either A4, A3, A5, depending on the size of your paper. I can choose A4. I prefer A4. So this is now your page size. This is how you can change it. If you press Control P to print it, this is it will print as a A4. As you can see, even it is here landscape, and the paper size is A4. So the paper size has also not changed. And here you can still modify it on printing. You can change it to A3 or A or executive statement, depending on the one you prefer. So, or depending on the paper size that you are printing. Let me press this to go back. So this is how you can change the page size, page orientation, and also change the page margins in Microsoft Word 2016. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button and hit the bell icon so that when I post a new video, you will be notified.